Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Jupyter Notebook on Windows for data science step by step clearly. To install Jupyter Notebook on Windows for data science, first, ensure you have Python installed on your computer. If you don't have Python, visit the official Python website and download the latest version for Windows. Once the installer is downloaded, run it and follow the setup instructions. Make sure to check the box that says Add Python to Path during installation. After Python is installed, open Command Prompt by searching for CMD in the Start menu. In the command prompt, type the command Python version to verify that Python has been installed correctly. Next, you'll want to install pip, the package manager for Python. In most cases, pip is included with the installation of Python, but you can check by typing pip version. If you see the version number for pip, you're all set. Now, it's time to install Jupyter Notebook. In the command prompt, type the command pip install Jupyter. This command will download and install Jupyter Notebook along with its dependencies. Once the installation is complete, you can start Jupyter Notebook by typing Jupyter Notebook in the command prompt. After entering this command, a new tab should open in your default web browser. This tab will display the Jupyter Notebook dashboard, where you can create new notebooks and manage your files. To create a new notebook, click on the new drop-down menu on the right-hand side. Select Python 3 from the list to start a new Python notebook. Now you can write and execute Python code in Jupyter Notebook, perfect for your data science projects. Remember to save your work frequently by clicking on the save icon or by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+S. That concludes the installation process. You are now ready to explore the capabilities of Jupyter Notebook for your data science needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.